Good morning and welcome to Friday's Daily Market Report, courtesy of iFOREX.
US non-farm payrolls will be released at 13:30 GMT, US labour force participation rate at 13:30 GMT, US unemployment rate at 13:30 GMT, Canadian Consumer Price Index at 13:30 GMT, Canadian IV Purchasing Managers Index SA at 1500 GMT, and US Baker Hughes US oil rig count at 1800 GMT. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged on Wednesday, painting a relatively upbeat picture of the US economy that suggested it was on track to tighten monetary policy. A US appeals court on Wednesday revived 3 private antitrust lawsuits accusing JP Morgan Chase & Company of rigging a market for silver futures contracts traded on COMEX. US factory activity accelerated to more than a 2-year high in January amid sustained gains in new orders and raw material costs. The euro-dollar pair fluctuates near 1.08 level recently, and it begins providing positive signals waiting for resuming the bullish bias. The sterling-dollar pair retested 1.255 level recently and bounced higher to resume its bullish track strongly. The dollar-yen pair managed to touch our first main weighted target at 112.55 and rebounds bullishly to approach from testing the bearish channel's resistance. Crude oil price didn't show any strong move recently to keep fluctuating near the EMA 50. Option sellers are making a fortune.
Thank you for joining us in this Friday's market review. Be sure to check iFOREX future updates and other financial services.